Hello, I'm Herman Stone, and I have two brilliant, beautiful children with MS. They're the light of my life, and because I watched them suffer, I am more determined than ever to find a cure for this disease. I believe we're all in this together, and there is strength in numbers. I started this website to fund MS research. They're establishing a database looking at environmental factors, heredity, possible exposure to toxin, other diseases, anything that lets us understand MS. Understand MS and defeat MS. A lot of wonderful things are happening right now. Join the movement. Click on gifts at the right-hand side of this page. Your part could be $5, your part could be $50 or $5,000. I need your help. I need your help badly, and I know that you will help me. I want you to send this to your friends. Ask them to send it to their friends. Because I tell you what, folks, we're trying to do something here, and I'm trying to send this to 1 million people. If I can send it to 1 million people, I can raise, with your help, $5 million. That's what the North Carolina Research Campus needs. We need $5 million. Help me. Send it to 25, 30 of your friends. They give me back $1, $5. I know you'll help me, please. Now is the time for hope. Now is the time to get involved.